Hello everyone. Julius Malema, the leader of the EFF, has finally broke his silence about the criticism he received on his planned national shutdown that will take place on the 20th of March. He was addressing the Free State Provincial Plenum on Sunday. Malema had said the national shutdown is in response to the country's energy crisis and a call for President Cyril Ramaphosa to resign. He said he had been accused to trying to destroy the economy by calling for the shutdown. He stated, "There is not much that will collapse the economy of South Africa. The economy has already collapsed. If anything, we are trying to remove the people who've collapsed this economy. Things are bad in the country and it's not going to get better." I heard someone say load shedding will be done in December, and it's not true. Unemployment is at 60% for the youth, and yet nothing is happening, and that government is not threatened. On the 9th of February, Cyril Ramaphosa will not address that parliament peacefully because he's got no respect for Parliament of South Africa. We can't be addressed by a constitutional delinquent, a man who's thrown the constitution of South Africa into a pit toilet. We will be in Pretoria. We are not going to the lawns of the union buildings, but we are going to the gate of Ndlovu, where the president stays, because that's our house. Fikile Mbalula, the Secretary General of the African National Congress, has also lambasted Julius Malema and said Malema is promoting anarchy, why he wants to put everything on standstill on that day of 20 March. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.